Good morning, boys. Today we are going to see exercise 3.5, problem number 9. Show that cot 7.5 degree equal to root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 6. So this is what we have to find out today. Show this answer LHS equal to RHS. Here I am going to take LHS side to prove RHS side. LHS cot 7.5 degree. This can be written as cos 7.5 degree by sin 7.5 degree. So here after that I am going to multiply and divided by divided by 2 cos 7.5 degree in this function. See, I am going to multiply and divided by 2 cos 7.5 degree in numerator and denominator. What will happen? If I multiply 2 cos 7.5 degree in the numerator, it will be 2 cos square 7.5 degree divided by 2 into sin 7.5 degree into cos 7.5 degree. It will be formed like that. After multiplying and divided by 2 cos 7.5 degree, you will get these steps. Okay, now I am going to use some identities here to simplify the steps. Here we know that cos 2a formula 2 cos square a minus 1. So we know that cos 2a we have 4 formulas. In this 4 I am taking this formula cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So if you bring this side, it will be cos 2a plus 1 2 cos square a. So instead of 2 cos square a, we can write cos 2a. So here I am going to write instead of 2 cos square a, here this is considered as a. 7.5 degree, it's in a mixed fraction. I am going to change it in an improper fraction. Cross multiply, it is 14 plus 1, 15 by 2 degree. 7.5 degree can be written as 15 by 2 degree. So here 2 cos square a can be written as cos 2a plus 1. Cos 2a, it is cos 2 into a is 15 by 2 plus 1 divided by, here as soon as you see this denominator, you have to remember sin 2a formula. Sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. So this is the format of this identity. So here instead of 2 sin 7.5 degree into cos 7.5 degree, I can write sin 2 into 7.5 can be written as 15 by 2. So if you cancel it, it will be sin 15. So we know we must remember this. Instead of 2 sin 7.5 degree into cos 7.5 degree, we can write sin 2 into 15 by 2. If you cancel 2, you will get finally 15. So it will be sin 15 degree. 2 cancel here also. So finally we have simplified the value cos 15 plus 1 by sin 15. After that, we have to prove this answer. So values we supposed to bring it. Here we have cos 15 and sin 15. I have to find out cos 15 value and sin 15 value. Already we have found that sin 15 value is root 3 minus 1 to root 2. Cos 15 value is root 3 plus 1 2 root 2. This is referred, please refer this in exercise 3.4 problem number 12. Already we have done it the previous videos. Just you refer these values in exercise 3.4 problem number 12, because we no need to write once again we no need to find out the values here. Directly you can apply the value if you know the value, otherwise you have to find out the values in this problem also. So if you want to find out how to if you want to know how to find out this value, you can refer exercise 3.4 and problem number 12. Okay, now cos 15 value is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 plus 1 whole divided by root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So just cross multiply the numerator, root 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 whole divided by 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 2 root 2. Cancel is, it will be root 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. For simplification, we just take conjugate and multiply root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So I am taking conjugate here. So multiply root 3 into root 3, 3 plus root 3 into 1, root 3, then 1 into root 3, root 3, 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 into root 3 plus 2, root 2 into root 3 is root 6 plus 2 root 2 whole divided by, this is a minus b, a plus b formula can be applied, it is a square minus b square, so root 3 square minus 1 square. So this will be so now in the numerator we have what are the like terms we have here? Root 3, so plus root 3 it is 2 root 3, then 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6, then 3 plus 1 we have 4 here, 3 and root will be cancelled, so 3 minus 1. So here we can take a 2 commonly outside. If you take a 2 commonly outside, this is just I am rearranging root 2 first, root 3 second, plus root 6, root 6. Then if you take 2 here, remaining 2 will be here. Then 3 minus 1, 2, cancel. After that we have to bring root 2, root 3 plus root 4 and root 6. Here we have root 3, root 2, root 3 and root 6. We don't have a 4. So instead of 2 we can write a root 4. Because we know that root 4 also 2. So instead of, because of the answer I have changed 2 into root 4. So I have changed 2 into root 4. So finally I am getting right hand side answer. So hence proved. So by this we can prove LHS equal to RHS. Next problem number 11. If I skip any problem, that means it is a homework. You have to do it in your own. Problem number 11. Prove that 32 root 3 sin pi by 48 cos pi by 48 cos pi by 24 cos pi by 12 cos pi by 6 equal to 3. So here we are, I am going to prove LHS equal to RHS. This is just prove that LHS side 32 root 3. So before this, before writing LHS side, you just look at that. We have cos pi by 48, sorry, sin pi by 48, cos pi by 48. Immediately I can remember the identity. Sin 2a can be written as 2 sin a cos a. So I can use that identity in this problem, 2 sin a cos a. So I am going to use this identity here. If you want to use this identity, sin 2a, here 2 must be there. Sin a cos a, even it is sin a cos a, we must have a 2 here. So here 2 is missing in this term. If you take this 2 term, we can consider sin a cos a, but 2 is missing. So I can take a 2 from this splitting of this 36. 36 can be written as 6 into 2, 16 into 2. So 16 root 3 2 sin, because all are multiplication, there is no problem to take 2 for these terms. So 48 cos pi by 48 into cos pi by 24 cos pi by 12 into cos pi by 16. Now 16 or root 3, 2 sin a cos a can be written as sin 2a. Here sin 2 into a is pi by 48. If I cancel this, 2 4 cos pi by 24 cos pi by 12 cos pi by 6. So now look at these two terms. Cos pi by 24, cos pi by 24. We have a sin pi by 24, cos pi by 24. We have form of sin a and cos a, but here also we don't have a 2. So we have to bring it 2 here from splitting of 16. 16 can be split into 8 into 2. So 8 root 3, 2 sin pi by 24 cos pi by 24 cos pi by 12 cos pi by 6. Now 8 root 3, 2 sin pi by 24 cos pi by 24 can be written as sin 2a. Again we got this format. Only these identities we are going to use entire problem. So it is very important identity. So 2, instead of that we can write sin 2 into, here a is pi by 24. So we can have a cancellation here, cos pi by 12 cos pi by 6. See, listen here, look at here we have again sin a cos b alone. We don't have a 2 there, so we have to bring it to splitting this 4 into 2. So if you take 4 root 3 into 2 sin pi by 12 cos pi by 12 cos pi by 6. Now once again 2 sin a cos a can be written as times sin 2a pi by 12 6 cos pi by 6. See, once again here we have sin a cos b, but we don't have a 2, so we can take 2 from here. So this will be 2 root 3 into sin pi by 6 cos pi by 6. Once again I am going to use the identity, sin 2a identity. It will be 2 root 3 into sin 2 into pi by 6. This can be cancelled. This is 3. 2 into root 3 into sin pi by 3 values root 3 by 2. 2 cancel, root 3 into root 3, it is 3, which is RHS side. So hence proved. So if you want to solve this problem, we must know the identity sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a identity, because it is very important identity from the beginning. Chalo, I am telling you to memorize all the identities, otherwise we can't able to solve the problem. So by this problem we can complete exercise 3.5. Next exercise 3.6. Before see the problem, we can study some identities, important identities. We have two types of identities we are going to learn in this exercise. One is product to sum, another one is sum to product. First we will see product to sum identities. So you have to memorize all these identities to solve the problems. So first one, sin A, sin B, this 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So this is first one for the product to sum identity. Second one, cos A sin B. First sin A sin B. Second one cos A. If cos A is first, sin B is second, then 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. This is another one, second one. Third one, cos A cos B. Both are cos functions. It will be cos A plus B plus cos, both are A minus B. This format. Next, sin A, sorry, this one I have written wrongly. This is cos sin A cos B. Sin A cos B. The final one is both are sin. Both sin means minus 1 by 2 cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. So this is 4 identities we have for product to sum, and then another 4 identity we have a sum to product. First one, sin C plus sin D equal to 2 into sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Second one, sin C minus sin D 2 into cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Third one, cos C plus cos D 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Next, cos C minus cos D 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus, here you have to be very careful, cos C minus cos D 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2. Okay, you have to be very careful on this identist when you are using this. So now we can have some more identities. That identities I will give you whenever we required for the problems. So here exercise 3.6, first problem. We have given some subdivisions. First subdivision, express each of the following as sum or difference. Here sine 35 degree, cos 28 degree. Here it is sum, product to sum. It look like a sine A cos B formula. Here sine A cos B formula says 1 by 2 sine A plus B into cos A minus B. So I am going to use this formula. So here sine 35 degree cos 28 degree can be written as 1 by 2 sine A plus B. Here A is 35, B is 28 degree. A plus B, if you add this 35 plus 28, 55, 63. Sine 63 degree into cos A minus B, 35 minus 28. It is 7 degree. This is the answer for this question. Second subdivision, sine 4x cos 2x equal to 1 by 2 sine 4x cos 2x. The same formula. The same formula here I am going to use. The formula says sine A plus B. Sine A plus B is sine 6x cos 4x minus 2x is this 2x. So this is answer for second subdivisions. We have some more subdivisions. By using this property, you can do your own the remaining problems. In second question, first subdivision, sine 75 degree minus sine 35 degree. Here the second one, sum to product, sine C minus sine D. Second one, sine C minus sine D. Sine D can be written as 2 cos C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. So this formula we have to use here. Sine 75 degree minus sine 35 degree can be written as 2 into cos 75 plus 35 by 2 sine 75 minus 35 by 2. So here 2 into cos 75 plus 35, it is 110 by 2 sine 75 minus 35, it's 40 by 2. 5 times, 5 times, 20 times. 2 cos 55 degree sine 20 degree is the answer. Second subdivision is cos 65 degree plus cos 15 degree. This can be written as here cos C plus cos D. Formula is 2 into cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So this can be written as 2 cos C, this is C, this is D. C plus D is 65 plus 15, 17, 80. 80 by 2 cos C minus D, 60 minus 65 minus 50 by 2. If I cancel, this is 40, this is 25. So answer is 2 cos 40 degree and cos 25 degree. So remaining we have two more subdivisions, that is you can do your own. Solve very easy. Only the way is to know the identities, all the identities, otherwise you cannot solve these problems. So you just memorize and keep practicing in these identities. So third question is, show that sin 12 degree, sin 48 degree, sin 54 degree equal to 1 by 8. So here I am going to prove LHS equal to RHS. First I am taking LHS side. Just I am rearranging the order from the LHS side. First I am writing sin 54 degree, sin 48 degree, sin 12 degree, LHS. Here I am going to write sin, instead of 54, 90 minus 36, 90 minus 36. Here, and product to sum formula I am going to use here. Product to sum formula, sin A, sin B. Sin A, sin B can be written as minus 1 by 2 into cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. So here minus 1 by 2, here I am going to use sin A, sin B formula, minus 1 by 2 into cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. This formula I am going to use, the fourth one. Okay, now 1 by 2 cos A plus B, 48 plus 12, it is 60 degree, minus cos A minus cos A minus B is 48 minus 12 is cos 36 degree. Now sin 90 minus theta, it is first quadrant, all are positive. So because of 90, I told you we have to change the ratio into cos, it is cos 36 degree into, if you multiply inside, minus 1 by 2 cos 60 degree, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 cos 36 degree. Here cos 36 degree, we already know the value of cos 36 degree because in the example 3.9 we have given detailedly the value of cos 36 value is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Refer example 3.9. The value which was found by exercise 3.9, you can refer the value how to find out a cos 36 value. So root 5 plus 1 by 4 is a value of cos 36. So you can refer in the book exercise example 3.9. Okay, the value I am going to substitute by 4. Here minus 1 by 2 cos 60 value also 1 by 2. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into root 5 plus 1 by 4. Here root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. If you multiply this, you will get root 5 plus 1 by 8. So multiply inside, we can get root 5 plus 1 by 8. Okay, now we just multiply inside the bracket, root 5 plus 1. If you multiply with minus 1 by 4, it will be minus root 5, and then it is minus 1 by 4 into 4, 16. Then if you multiply this inside, this is root 5 plus 1 into root 5 plus 1 whole divided by 4 into 8, 32. Now here we have a plus. Okay, now minus root 5. Here we need a common denominator. No, common denominator maximum it is 32. So here how can we change it into 32? Multiply with the 2. So in the numerator and denominator, multiply with the 2. Here in the first term, I am going to multiply and divide it by 2 for getting a common denominator. So if you multiply, it is 2 root 5 minus 2 by 32 plus multiply this 5 root 5 into root 5, 5 plus root 5 plus root 5 plus 1 by 32. So common denominator 32 minus root 5 minus 2 plus 5 into 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2 root 5. So this and this cancelled. Finally minus 2 plus 6, it is 4 by 32. If I cancel it 1 times 8 times, which is RHS. Hence proved. So by this we can complete question number 3. We can see remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.